In this video, we're going to cover how to export your Framer designs to Figma. While Framer doesn't have a native export function to Figma because it's primarily focused on turning designs into live websites, you can still transfer your work using third-party tools. The easiest way is to use the Figma plugin called html.to.design. First, publish your Framer project to get a live URL. Then in Figma, install and launch the html.to.design plugin. Paste your Framer site URL into the plugin. Choose the resolution for desktop or mobile, and click Import. The plugin will convert your Framer site's HTML and CSS into Figma layers, including text, images, and basic styles. If you only need specific graphics or assets, you can use the Framer desktop app. Select the element you want to export, click Export in the right-hand panel, and save it as a PNG or JPEG. Then simply drag and drop these files directly into Figma. While it's not a perfect one-click transfer, these methods let you reuse Framer assets in Figma for further design iterations or handoffs to other designers.